Today's interesting question is, do a linked list will be given to you and a target. So you have to find that target exists in that linked list or not. It is very simple. If you know traversal, you can easily solve the question. So here we will have a reference of this head in a variable that is current, and we'll move the current from starting to ending, and we'll check that this current data, whatever it contains, if that is equal to target, then we'll return true. And if we are unable to find and we have traversed completely, then we'll return false. Okay, this will be our approach. So here when I'll compare, it will not equal, so I'll move. Then here also it will be also not equal to, then again I'll move. When this come to this 20 and then target and this will match, will return true. So let me show you the code. It's very simple, just a traversal kind of a code I have written. So we have to search a value. Okay, and here you can see we have created a variable to store the reference. I'm moving from starting to ending, only checking that current data, if that is equal to the value, just return true, or else just move to the next node. Okay, and if we are unable to find, then we'll return false at last. So let me show you here at the bottom what I'm doing. I'm calling this one, and here you can see I'm passing list dot search 20 as I have inserted 20 here. So it will print true. So let me run it and prove it to you. You can see the linked list is 30, 20 and 10 and then null, and whenever we are trying to search 20, it is giving me true. If I search for 21, then it will give me false. Okay, so this is the simple function what I have written. So if you like my approach, then please like this video, and if you are preparing for your interview, then subscribe the channel and also go through the complete playlist which I have created, which contains a lot of videos from different topics like recursion, strings, arrays, stack, queue, linked list. So you can go and check it out. And if you are only focusing on linked list, you can come to this playlist and check it out. I'll be adding 2 to 3 videos every week. So let's meet in the next video.